Hello everyone. In the videos of this particular section, we are going to understand the concept of callbacks. Very important concept. And in this very first video, we are going to understand what is callback. As the name indicates, it is a callback function. So it's a function which is added as an argument to another function, and it gets executed after the current function execution completes. What I mean to say by that is, let's say we have a function ABC, and as part of the argument of this function, we have another function, say fun1. So whatever is there in ABC function, it will get executed first. So let's say for now we are just doing console.log and we are printing I am ABC in the console or in the log. Now what will happen is when we call ABC function, obviously we have to parameterize that with another function here, but what happens is it will execute this first, whatever code is there in ABC first, and after that it will execute fun1. So in this case, fun1 is the callback function for ABC. It will let ABC do whatever code it needs to execute, and then at the end of it, this callback function will be executed. Now in this case, we can just create a function, say xyz, which might be just logging something in the console. And now at the time of calling ABC, what I'm doing is I'm providing xyz over here. It can be any function. So this xyz will be used as fun1 here, and that same function will get executed right over here after the ABC code is executed. That is the simple concept of callbacks. So when we execute this code, what's happening is the code from ABC is getting executed first, and then it will call the callback function, which is xyz, and then this one is getting logged over here. So it's as simple as that. There are many things about this which we want to understand, but this is the core concept of callback function, adding another function as an argument or parameter of a particular function. So this parameter function, which gets executed after the current function execution is done, is called as callback function. In a way, do whatever you want to do and then call me back. I'll execute later. That's the core concept of this. We'll understand more things about callback function in the upcoming sessions.